Your roof is one of the most vital parts of your home. It shields you from the elements, provides insulation, and maintains your property's structural integrity. However, many homeowners in Clinton Township don't realize something's wrong until it's too late. Recognizing early warning signs can save you from costly repairs and potential safety hazards. Here are the top signs it's time to call a professional roofing company. Visible roof damage. One of the clearest signs you need a roofing expert is visible damage. Missing, curling, or cracked shingles can expose your roof to leaks and water damage. After Michigan's harsh winters or heavy summer storms, shingles often loosen or deteriorate. If you notice bald spots, granule loss in your gutters, or exposed underlayment, it's time for a professional inspection. A roofing company in Clinton Township can assess whether you need simple repairs or a full replacement. Leaks or water stains. Water infiltration is a red flag that your roof's integrity has been compromised. If you see stains or discoloration on your ceilings or walls, it's likely that moisture has seeped through your roofing materials. Even minor leaks can cause mold growth, insulation damage, and structural decay over time. Ignoring these signs can turn a small problem into a major expense. A local roofing company can identify the source of the leak and provide prompt, lasting repairs. Sagging rooflines. A sagging roofline is not just an aesthetic issue, it's a serious structural concern. It could mean that your roof decking or underlying support structures are weakened by excess moisture, poor ventilation, or age. If you notice any dip or curve in your roof when viewed from the street, contact a professional roofer immediately. Quick intervention can prevent a full collapse and ensure your home remains safe and secure. Rising energy bills. If your heating or cooling costs have suddenly spiked, your roof may be to blame. Poor insulation, leaks, or ventilation issues allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In Clinton Township's fluctuating climate, maintaining proper insulation and roof ventilation is crucial for energy efficiency. A roofing expert can inspect your attic and roofing materials to identify where energy is being lost, and help you restore your home's efficiency. Moss, algae, or mold growth. While green patches might look harmless, moss and algae can trap moisture against your shingles, leading to rot and premature wear. Mold growth is even more concerning, as it can spread into your home's interior. If you notice dark streaks or green buildup on your roof, it's time for a professional cleaning or roof treatment. Roofing companies use safe cleaning methods and can recommend protective coatings to prevent regrowth. Storm damage. Michigan weather can be unpredictable. Heavy winds, hail, and ice can cause hidden roof damage that isn't visible from the ground. After any severe weather event, schedule a roof inspection to catch issues early. Professional roofers in Clinton Township can identify cracked shingles, damaged flashing, or loosened gutters before these issues cause leaks or structural problems. Aging roof. Most asphalt shingle roofs last about 20 to 25 years. If your roof is nearing or past that age, even without obvious damage, it's smart to schedule an evaluation. Over time, roofing materials lose their protective properties, increasing your risk of leaks and inefficiency. A reputable roofing company can assess your roof's remaining lifespan and recommend the best next steps. Protect your home with a professional roofing company. Your roof is too important to neglect. Whether you're noticing leaks, rising energy bills, or simply want peace of mind, calling a trusted roofing company in Clinton Township ensures your home stays protected year-round. Professional roofers not only diagnose current issues but also help prevent future problems, extending the life of your roof and saving you money in the long run. Regular inspections, especially after severe weather or as your roof ages, can make all the difference. Don't wait for major leaks or damage. Schedule a roof evaluation today and keep your home safe, comfortable, and energy efficient.